A very good evening to all of you. I am Anchal Nigam, Assistant Professor from School of Management Sciences, Lucknow, NAC accredited college. Today, I'm going to discuss about perseverance. What is perseverance? What are the hindrances that come across when we want to adopt perseverance in our life as well as in our career? And how we can resolve it through various reforms. It is very important to understand the value of perseverance and to adopt it as well, because in today's scenario, if we are not taking care about perseverance, then it will be quite difficult for us to face the day-to-day difficulties that are coming in our path in achieving our aspiring goals. So here I am going to share with you all about perseverance. Well, if we are talking about perseverance, in simple words, perseverance is not giving up at any cost and belief on oneself to achieve success. Perseverance is an element with the help of which one can perform the assigned tasks without fearing from obstacles. It can be habit, an activity, or task that need to be done without letting it go in between and fulfill it till the end. If I'm talking about the role of perseverance in career development, it can be categorized under gain in motivation, trustworthiness, intellectual strength, dreams, vision, and goals, self confidence. First of all, gain in motivation. If there will be perseverance in your mind as well as in your heart, you will be able to have increased amount of motivation within you, and it will help you in achieving your goal further. When it is coming about trustworthiness, a person can be trustworthy if he has perseverance in him. He or she will be able to have self belief as well as to be believed by someone else also. Then moving on, next is intellectual strength. Our mind will get strength and will be strong by means of perseverance in career, as perseverance is an element due to which we can be, be working in our day-to-day life and facing the obstacles, but we can't stop like that. Dreams, vision, and goals is a part of perseverance in career development also. If we have some goals to achieve, if we have some vision for future, if we have some dreams for perseverance, for persisting in our career, then it will be very much assurable for us to achieve our success in life. Then apart from other points, the most important thing is self-confidence. If we have perseverance in our life, our self-confidence will get built up day by day, due to which we can face any kind of obstacles that are coming in our way to achieve success. So moving on towards our next topic, it is hindrances in achieving perseverance. There are some kinds of difficulties due to which we are unable sometimes to achieve perseverance for our successful life as well as successful career. But for developing our career, it is essential to have persistent quality within us. So the first point is past failures won't stay in the past. That means sometimes we feel failure and if it was taken place in the past, then it will be a little bit underconfidence, or it will give us some kind of doubt in our mind, due to which we will not be able to take a step further for our career. This is a very big hindrance in achieving perseverance. Next is perfection ruins everything. If someone is thinking that he or she is perfect, then it will be a great ruin for his or her life. If we are talking in terms of career, then a little perfection is required to achieve bigger goals of life. Plans that don't work out as planned. Sometimes we used to make different kinds of plans for our career to achieve for success. But due to our doubts in mind or some kind of fear, we cannot be able to achieve perseverance in our life. Next is getting sidetracked. It is oftenly being done by some people in our society that we used to get sidetracked, or you can say they don't give us as much importance as we can, as we have, because of our qualities, or we are not able to show those qualities. Either they used to underestimate us, or they used to just say that this is not a good deal, or you are not able to do this, just go like that. So this is something create an obstacle in achieving perseverance. Then lack of support. Very oftenly students, or you can say the youth of our society, is not able to have that much support so that they can achieve their success in life, which creates less confidence in them and doubts and the very other things, due to which they used to get underwater, or you can say they used to have a kind of doubtness in their personality. Then falling into the wrong goals. Sometimes we have some goals, but we are not able to understand what is the correct goal we have to work upon, or we have to do efforts to achieve those goals. Then fatigue is just tiring. It is often can be seen in students or in the candidates or our youth of society, that due to a hardcore competition, they are not able to understand the value of rest in their life, due to which they feel tiredness, they feel boredness, and they cannot be able to perceive in life, they cannot be able to be persistent towards life. Then fear about losing something, fear about having some kind of uh, comments from the society over their personality, over their career, anything. So this also is a hindrance in achieving perseverance. So doubting yourself at the wrong times. Many times it happens that we used to doubt on ourselves, and it'll it can be portrayed as yeah, I don't know something, yeah, maybe I am wrong in that, maybe I look wrong in that, by doing that, or by adopting that, or by following those ideas. So this also kind of a hindrance in achieving perseverance for life. The listening to the wrong voices inside and outside your head. This is a very important point, students, because if you are listening wrong advices around you, like your friends, your family, your loved ones are saying that don't do this one, don't do that one. So this will also create a kind of obstacle in achieving perseverance for your career, and you will feel very much difficulties in achieving your goal of life. Now, how can we resolve these problems? Well, we can truly resolve by some of the points to be followed in one's life to have career growth. Like, first one is put failures into perspectives. Whatever you are facing in your life, whatever difficulties you are facing in your life, just create an opportunity from that one. Like we can see nowadays, COVID-19 is going on, and there are certain opportunities of business for those who are not even thinking about that. But so many businesses are uh, failure are failing because of the lockdown that is going on. So this is something to understand, that how perseverance is important to be firm determined in life. Now move closer to perfection. Just be a little further closer towards perfection. Don't think that you are the best, but you are better. Try to be best in your efforts and show it with your efforts only. Now, trust yourself and find a way again. Try to trust yourself, try to have faith within you. If you will have faith within you, you will be able to find a way after closing another way. So, this is something very important to understand, students. Then take your own call to action. Try to make your own decisions. Don't listen to other people. Just try to understand what you want from your life. Then let in, let go. Whatever coming from the other side, whatever going from you as well, just go with the flow and try to have your own decisions of life, of your career, of your goals, of your dreams, of your visions. Just try to stuck whatever you are thinking about you. Because if you are dreaming something, if you have some visions, that means there is some way or the other to make it as an opportunity. Be true to yourself. It is very important, students, to just be honest with you, and you will be able to have perseverance in your life for sure. Take your time for rest. It is very important, students, to understand the value of time as well as the value of rest. Just try to achieve your goals step by step and take rest also. Give rest your mind by means of meditation, by means of exercises, and have that perseverance in your life for your career. Then move forward with courage. It is very important, students, to moving forward with full on courage. If you are brave, then you can achieve anything in your life without any kind of problematic thoughts, or if they are coming also, you will be able to face those thoughts and you can take your own actions. Believe in yourself. Try to have your faith within yourself. After be honest to yourself, you'll be able to have belief in yourself. And if you have belief in yourself, if you have trust in yourself, you will be trustworthy also, and you will be self-confident enough to take your decisions. Be calm and choose wise people to be with. This is very important, students, because if you're not able to be calm, and if you're not able to choose wise people to be with, your friends and your surrounding is not that kind of, so that you'll not be able to understand the value of perseverance, the value of your goals, the value of your success. Each and everything is very important. If you have true friends, if you have that kind of environment around you, and if you are taking your decisions with calm mind, you'll be able to have that persistency, you'll be able to have that perseverance in your career as well as in your life, and then you'll be able to achieve success in your life. Lastly, I would like to say a very big thank you to just keeping the things and all the things you are understanding about perseverance. One more thing at last, I would like to say that when the world says give up, hope whispers, try it one more time. So, with these lines, I would like to end my things for you. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.